Between your welcome messages for new subscribers and cart abandonment emails for the near converters, we have shoppers a bit bookend, but customer intent isn't isolated to just these two stages. There's a lot of activity that happens in between sign up and cart abandonment. For Shopify merchants, the common marketing approach to target this stage is schedule promotional email campaigns and paid ads. But automation can help you here as well. And that's by using browse and product abandonment messages. When I say browse and product abandonment messages, what exactly do I mean? Well, these are automated behavior-based messages that are sent to those who visited your website and viewed specified products or product categories, but never actually placed an item in their cart. Sort of like online window shoppers. While they may not be as ready to purchase as cart abandoners, they're still in a shopping mindset. Product abandonment messages have a conversion rate of nearly 18%, while browse abandonment conversion rates come in at over 10%. The reason they convert well is because they're naturally relevant to the subscriber. After all, they were recently on your website viewing your products. Whether you choose to automate browse abandonment, which is when a customer views a category of products, or product abandonment, when a customer views a specified product, there's a lot of similarities between them. In today's lesson, I'm going to mostly talk about them as one, and you can decide which strategy is best for your brand. Don't worry, I'll give you some tips on how to decide this in just a moment. So let's think about your browse abandonment messages as those sent to online window shoppers. While they have not placed items in their cart, we know there's still a level of intent with them. After all, they were on your website. This knowledge is power. Now it's time to use that power for good and create automated messages that help your customers along their shopping journey. And here's how. Step 1, decide on product or category abandonment. Here are some things that can help you decide. Product abandonment might be best if you have specific high traffic products you're intent on selling. You offer seasonal products and want to maximize those sales. Or you have unique or highly custom products that may have more complex decision factors, such as luxury watches or higher priced electronics. Browse abandonment, which is category focused, might be best for things like more interchangeable or high volume products, for example, swimsuits, or select categories, not necessarily the products within them, that are focused, such as phone cases or casual sweaters. Or when you want to cast a wider net with your emails. For instance, for anyone that views sweater, you may want to showcase different types of sweaters or designs. If you're unsure about where to start, I recommend browse abandonment, as it's more broad and will apply to more visitors. Now, once you decide where to start, your next step is to create your messaging.